Welcome, in front of me is a Tecno Camon C8, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the factory mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, so power, volume down. Hold both of the keys till you see the screen turn back on, and at that point you want to let go of only the power, so like so, and keep holding the volume down, and we should then be in the factory mode. Give it a moment for it to actually boot that up completely. Okay, so from here you will use only volume down to navigate, like so, and power key will be used to confirm, and you want to select this option, the one that has eMMC in it, and once you have it selected, just press power key. The device will basically begin the hard reset. So give it a little bit of time for it to actually finish off, and once it's done, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.